young adventurers. Welcome to Community Heroes, where we embark on a journey to discover the everyday superheroes who make our neighborhoods safe, healthy, and vibrant. From firefighters to doctors, police officers to teachers, community helpers play essential roles in keeping our communities running smoothly. Are you ready to join us as we shine a spotlight on these remarkable individuals and the valuable work they do? Let's dive in and explore the world of community heroes together. Our journey begins with the brave firefighters, who fearlessly rush into danger to extinguish fires, rescue people, and keep our communities safe. Spells out F-I-R-E-F-I-G-H-T-E-R, firefighter. Can you imagine the sound of the fire truck siren and the sight of firefighters in their protective gear as they respond to emergencies? Firefighter. Let's learn about the important equipment firefighters use, such as hoses, helmets, and fire extinguishers, to combat fires and save lives. Next, we salute the dedicated police officers, who uphold the law, maintain order, and protect our communities from harm. Spells out P-O-L-I-C-E-O-F-F-I-C-E-R, police officer. Can you picture the police cars patrolling our streets and the officers keeping a watchful eye to ensure our safety? Police officer. Let's explore the responsibilities of police officers, such as enforcing laws, solving crimes, and helping people in need. Now, let's honor the compassionate doctors and healthcare workers, who heal the sick, comfort the injured, and promote wellness in our communities. Spells out D-O-C-T-O-R, doctor. Can you imagine the busy hospitals and clinics where doctors work tirelessly to care for patients and save lives? Doctor. Let's discover the essential tools and equipment doctors use, such as stethoscopes, syringes, and thermometers, to diagnose and treat illnesses. Moving on to the inspiring teachers, who educate, inspire, and empower the next generation with knowledge and skills for success. Spells out T-E-A-C-H-E-R, teacher. Can you visualize the classrooms filled with eager students and the teachers guiding them on a journey of discovery and learning? Teacher. Let's appreciate the dedication and creativity of teachers, who plan lessons, engage students, and nurture their growth and development.